Hey, good afternoon everyone. This is the Sturt. We're back in the garage doing some maintenance on bikes. Today we're going to fix my flat pedal. It basically has got some screws sheared off of it. Here, I'll show you. As you can see, we broke a few of these studs. Good, you know, in my case, hitting rocks. Good news is these are replaceable. In case you didn't know that, most likely the flat pedal that you have is also got replaceable studs on it. All right, so basically you just get in there. So on the opposite side of this, there's a screw. In my case, it's 2.5 millimeter bolt in there. And we just take it out. All right, in my case, it's a DEITY pedal, and DEITY has replacement studs for these. It's just basically a screw pack with screws and nuts in it. So things like that. I've got a bunch since I break them quite a bit. So let's get you over here on the workbench here, and just get these out of there. Sometimes they get stuck in there a little bit. All right, if that happens, just grab in here. Let her screw out. Oh, there comes the bolt. All right. You see that one's got a little turned or messed up in there a little bit, but it does come out. Give it a little bit. And all you do to replace it, throw a little bolt. Here's what the new bolt looks like. A little bit longer, to say the least. All right, so just put a nut on the nut side, and you can tell which side's which. You can see the nut's got it's formed for to hold on to the nut while you're screwing it back in. All right, and then we just take the screw on the other side and screw that bad boy in. I should do it this way so you can see I'm holding that nut in there in place, so it'll pull it down. Once it's down in where it grabs, then the pedal will hold it while you're screwing it in. And you definitely want to get it pretty tight. I have had these loosen up on me, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Now just rinse and repeat for the other three on this pedal, and that'll be all there's into it. All right. So I hope that was informative. If you haven't done that before, if so, a little reminder tutorial. Anyway, thank you so much. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and if you like my content, please like. If you want to subscribe and get my updates, please do. No obligation. Doesn't cost you anything. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like me down the road. Anyway, as always, keep the rubber side down and keep having fun on those single tracks. Take care.